and we call it, it's PROZ, P-R-O-Z. The first would be postcards. When we first, well, it started out actually, the very first thing that we did that kind of put us, that gave us maybe 4 or 5 sales at one time. We went around our community and we put little door hangers with a little postcard in it, and it gave everyone a free ice cream cone at the local ice cream shop. And it said, have a treat on us, or something like that. It was a picture of us, your local real estate experts. And then from there, we built what we always say, the R is relationships, which of course lead to referrals. Open houses, we would do open house anytime that I or my husband had available. Even during the week, we would have our computers at an open house, and we would just keep meeting people and collecting email addresses. And from there, we would add all those email addresses into a MailChimp and we would send out a newsletter, thank you notes every time someone would come into an open house. And then the final thing, once we started to actually sell real estate, then we started to invest in the Zillow zip codes. And that also was that has been quite lucrative for us. About, I think it's like 8 to 1. So for every dollar we invest, we're making 8 back.